Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to send a Google Meet invite in Gmail. Whether we are scheduling a meeting for work, school, or personal use, this tutorial will help us invite participants quickly and easily. On the Google Meet dashboard, all we need to do first is click New Meeting and then schedule it in Google Calendar. This lets us create the meeting and invite participants through Google Calendar. Once we are in the scheduling window, we just need to enter the name of the meeting, for example, Meeting for School. Then we set the date, time, and duration. If we want the meeting to repeat, we can adjust that here as well. We can also add a location, set notifications, and include a description to let guests know what the meeting is about. To send the invite through Gmail, all we have to do is click Add Guest, and then enter the email addresses of the people we want to invite. Once the details are ready and we save the event, an invite will be sent to each guest through Gmail, letting them know they have been invited to a Google Meet. That is all it takes to send Google Meet invitations directly through Gmail and Google Calendar. Now we know exactly how to send a Google Meet invite in Gmail.